As I did not think I do. Start to move, like you smoke a la group. Just they bounce with the groove, no carry do. If you lose God, then go bounce with your boo. I can vouch for my crew, I'm telling you. And to they do, lifestyle of a group. Make you dance, not they look, then go they look, then go they look. And say if it's not enough, if I do 99 good, it go remain one. Don't know how to show you my love without fucking up. But I can buy you a new baby, straight from major land. Baby, trabaye, make you know they shall like it. I don't want nobody to give my matter like. For this life I day, I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days, I want to spend them on enjoyment. It's been too long, but then it's you. Tramadol, don't want to feel nothing at all. You like Ojuju Calabar, give me moral like I be bouncer. Mon paragon, take me higher, don't want to land. Until now I don't understand the why. No matter what I do, it's not enough. If I do 99 good, it go remain one. Don't know how to show you my love without fucking up. But I am faded. Make you know they shall lie. I don't want nobody to give my matter like. For this life I day, I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days, I want to spend them on enjoyment. Baby, trabaye, make you know they shall lie. I don't want nobody to give my matter like. For this life I day, I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days, I want to spend them on enjoyment. It's been too long, but then it's you. Everyday party,
I'ma get no be so. Girl, you won't capture my soul. I'ma get no be so. Make you one wumbo lumbo. Better bye, better bye. I'm loose. Even better done the para. Tonight in Josie, I'm in Josie. Won't call if you want one Josie. I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. My thought of mom is loaded. Me you can go, but I'm on molly. I'm on duty, but I'm on low-key. They want do me, they want do me. They want do me, cause they want do me. When you won't want me, when you won't want me. I'm in San Francisco, Jammy. When you won't want me, when you won't want me. I just flew in from Miami. Peru, para, Peru, para. I'm loose, even Peru done the para.
Pour out the bottle, I wanna level up. When I'm with you, I never get enough. Slow wine, I'm not in a rush. I can hear music when you're here. Tonight we're rolling, party till closing. Since I put the ring on the finger, it's still frozen. Love in slow motion, I wanna feel you over me, yeah. Certain magic in your eyes, yeah. Girl, I love the way you ride it. And it happens every time you arrive, that's right. Girl, I want you in my life, yeah. There's a heaven and it's right, yeah. I will never leave your side, stay tonight. When you won't see me, when you won't see me, I'm in West London this evening, giving me the feelings, no I'm not leaving, till I fly LA next weekend, Peru, nah. Girl, I'd rather go find somewhere quiet.
All right. Good morning to everybody. What's up? Hope everybody has had an amazing weekend. About to start a new week. Also a new month in a few days. And again, I hope everybody's blessed. Let's start by saying thank you, thank you, thank you. And I really appreciate it. Wait, hold on. Let's do that over. Let's start by saying thank you, thank you, thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
And I really appreciate it. I appreciate it. I hope everybody had an amazing weekend. Hope you're having an amazing morning. And we about to make this bread. We about to trade NAS 100. It's the end of the month. About to start a new month soon. And I hope everyone's doing good. All right. So first, start with FOREX Factory, of course. 2:15. That's later on today. There's news, so it's really not that important. But they'll be talking about FOMC, most likely. Well, let's just look into it. Yeah. Okay. Not too important. So we're not even going to pay too much attention to that. Let's get into the charts. All right. As usual, start with the monthly. Let's get some trend lines in here. Let's get support, resistance. Let's move into the week. So far, we're bullish. Let's take a look at this real quick, though. Because Thursday and Friday, that's what caused this drop for the monthly. And there's only a few days left. So we're going to have to see where we're going to close for the month. It's going to be important. So today we're bullish, though. And for the week so far, I guess. It's only one day. But we are bullish. Looks like we're pushing up already. NYSE already open. It's 9:35 pretty much. So there is that. All right, that's good. Let's check the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, we're pushing up. This 4 hour started at 6. And it'll be having a new 4 hour at 10. So currently we're bullish. We are at some resistance here to the left, if you can see that. Okay. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Let's get into the 1 hour. So we kind of do have range, a lot of range in both directions. So let's see. So we get in the volume. Volume's pushing us up. We are at a bit of resistance. So we'll see if volume's going to push us over. If it does, probably look for buys at 10. I doubt. I'll be looking for a trade at 9:45. So yeah, that's what we'll be looking for, guys. We're going to look for buys. We're bullish so far. Bullish for the day, bullish for the week. Yeah, we're going to wait till 10. Because I'm assuming the 9:45 candle will be a little bit of a pullback. So I don't want to get caught in that. All right. Sounds good. So that's what we're looking for today. about how much? A little over 6 minutes. I'm gonna get a new 15-minute candle. So excuse me. I'm sure you guys could see though, we're not passing this bit of resistance, right? Just because you're getting volume going up and you're getting a certain push, you have to respect these zones. You have to respect them. You have to acknowledge them that they're there. You have to acknowledge that there's also a possibility to come back down. So this isn't a really good trade area, not just yet. So we'll see what happens. There isn't that much volume. I was expecting a bigger push, but like I said this before, it's the end of the month. It's August, one of the slow months. School's about to get started. People getting kids ready, or school's already started for a lot of people. People coming back from vacation, so on and so forth. So I'm expecting September to pick up. Got about 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. Get a new 15-minute candle. My problem is if we wanted to look for a trade at 9:45, it would have to be like all our other moves. Need a bottom wick and a flip of the candle to push up. The problem with that 9:45 candle, that can happen. It could flip, push up. We could probably get our 10 points, right? But a possibility too is we could get the 10 points and then it comes back down and begins the reversal. I mean, not the reversal, but retracement. So I don't want to get caught in that. You know what I mean? But we are getting this a lot of volume, so we'll see. Let's see how the candle will open up. I'm not going to make a final decision just yet. Gotta be patient. You're gonna be patient. I'm upset with myself. I missed the gold buy earlier. Look at this. Gold went crazy. I missed all of this. 127. No. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's back at 20. From dipping all the way to 19.5 basically. It's getting a good push up though. But literally, this is just perfect. I hope you guys take a look at this. This is perfect market analysis. I explained 2 months ago, this is a rising flag pattern, which is bearish. Then I explained maybe last week, this is a rising flag pattern, which is bearish. And yeah, I've said before, my target's down here at 14,000 roughly. But we'll see. Time will tell. But Bitcoin is definitely going to do something huge soon. I feel like. JPY, Euro USD. ETH's pushing up. Oil's going up. Wow. The Dow Jones. Dow Jones been dropping just like NAS. See, similar to NAS. Not too much movement. Let's see. Got 30 seconds left. We're gonna get a new 15-minute candle. See, we're pulling back already. Yeah, I have a feeling we're gonna respect this resistance. All right, here's a new candle. Kind of see what I mean here? This flip would have got exactly 10 points, but see how fast it's moving and then coming back down? Probably wouldn't have been able to take my partials and move my stop loss. Like, I want to push, you know what I mean? Like, I know I want to get 10, but usually, like, we push to about 13 to 15 points, right? That gives us more than enough time to take the trade out, move stop loss. You know, this is it being support resistance, and yeah, this is not a good trade. So 10 o'clock we'll hopefully look for something. We'll definitely look for something, but hopefully we'll find something. Like this 4-hour closing below here is a sure sign that we're gonna push back down and respect support. So gotta be patient. We'll see what happens. See what happens by 10 o'clock. No rush. No rush. Again, I want to whoever's here, I want to give a big round of applause. I really do appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you're making some money too. I hope you're making some bread. That's why we're here. See what I mean? See that reversal? You do not want to get caught in this. You do not want to get caught in this. That would have been a terrible, terrible idea. It's all good. It's such a fucking home. I love it. Anybody listen to DJ Khaled's album? I don't know what's up with that guy. I might like maybe two songs. What's that song called? Let's play a song. What y'all think? Y'all like that song? That's one of the songs I do like. It's about the only song I do like. We got about 6 minutes. We're gonna get a new candle. Got about 3 more minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Gonna get a new new hourly candle. And we're most likely going to look for an entry, all right? So far, our bias is bullish. We want to close above, okay? We want to close above. I'd prefer a closure above. Now, if we open up, I'm gonna put this out there as an option, so you guys know before 10 o'clock hits. What could also happen is we create a top wick and then we push down to come all the way back down. So that's the option too, but we'll have to see where we close. All right. See what happens. Got about one more minute. One more minute. If you're here for the first time, I want to say thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
And I really appreciate it. I appreciate y'all, like for real, man. Y'all don't know how much I appreciate the views. But definitely share. I'd appreciate that too. Send me out to anybody y'all might know that's trading. Might need a little boost. Maybe a different way to look at the market. Word. All right, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Looks like we're not closing above. That 15-minute candle did push back down. So here we go. No trades right now, guys. I'm thinking it might be 10:15. We're gonna look for something. We closed in this range that we've been in. We didn't close above, so we don't have the volume to push past that resistance. So let's see if this 15-minute can give us a sense of direction. And hopefully 10:15 we could find something. There is nothing going on today. Nothing is going on. Why? Let's take a look at gold. We're not doing anything. All right, guys. We've got about, I want to say 12 minutes. 12 minutes for another 15-minute candle. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna patiently wait for that. We're not gonna force anything. We have no sense of direction. We don't know if we're gonna come back down to correct the move. We don't know if we're gonna push up to fill the wick. So we don't know. At 10:15, we'll have a better idea. Gold is still pushing. This was my overall TP, 1742, but I took it out. So I gotta trust your trades, guys. Trust your trades. Trust your trades. That's one of the hardest parts, man. Really trusting yourself and acknowledging that you do know what you're doing. Now you just gotta put your money where your mouth is. Well, I do at this point, I guess. Dow hasn't been doing anything. The Nas kind of usually moves very much like the Dow. And the Dow's not doing anything. This is in a little channel. So I don't see this breaking the support or resistance. And Nas usually does the same kind of move. So if that's the case for the Dow, then I see Nas kind of staying in the same area too. We'll see. We'll see. We still might be able to catch something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Trying to keep the. We only got 3 days left of the month. Let's keep the losses at 4. Let's not go no further than that. Let's just keep them at 4. It's no guarantees. Obviously, you can't guarantee that. The market does what it wants, right? But we're gonna hopefully try to keep it at 4. Guys, we got about 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes. Still kind of unfortunate though, because I don't see anything. I don't see any move. Nope. Look at this, just creating wicks up and down, up and down. No direction. Okay, there we go. It's a little bit of direction. Man, so tired. There's like no movement. I don't know what I'm guessing was the move. 9:30 was the move. Went pretty much 100 points. And we missed it. It's all good though. Well, technically we didn't miss it. Again, I always say that. If our setup wasn't there, then that wasn't our trade. Got about 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. We'll get a new 15-minute candle. All right, we're pushing up. So if we're bullish, we remaining bullish, I'm assuming we're just going to fill this wick. Right? This is about 52 points. All right. All right, so the next 15 that opens, we're going to look for some buys. Okay. Oh, wow. We're just going to wait for a bottom wick, and then we'll get in on the flip, okay? So we are going to look for a trade in 3 minutes. We will look for a trade. Just 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. 1 minute. We're gonna look. See, if we don't close bullish in this 15-minute candle, then buys could also be affected with that. See what happens. see what happens. Okay. This could be a good close right here. Let's see. No bottom wick just yet. There's a bottom wick. Well, not yet. That wasn't enough. No trade, no trade, no trade. We wanted a bottom wick, guys. Some kind of bottom wick. It was hardly even a pip. So, it's unfortunate, but. And again, I don't want to say we missed it, because if we don't see the setup we want, then we didn't miss anything. But I did call it out. I did let you guys know. I'm pretty sure that we're going to fill the rest of the wick. So if you guys are in, anybody took it, congratulations. Good for you.
Been making like 2,000 a minute.
Yeah, that would have been nice. That's good for whoever took my advice, listened to my analysis. Shout out to whoever you are. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that would have been sweet. You got a bottom wick, that would have been amazing. We had good runners. It's all good though. Again, let's look at the 30-minute. See that? Wick filled, easy. 1, 2, 3. Wick filled. Honestly, I think we might not even find something today, because we're filling the wick. I don't know. We'll have to see if we can break the highs again. If we could break the highs, close above, then we can probably look for more buys. But this support here is still support, so still opportunity to come back down. So I said we would need a closure above the highs. Well, not a closure. We need to pass previous highs, but also close above this minor resistance. So there you go. Past the highs. That's good. So we got one confluence with us. We already know we're bullish. Now we just want to see this 30-minute candle is going to close above. If we do, we're going to look for the same exact thing again. Bottom wick and then a push up. Okay, we do have range to the left. So all right. Got about 11 minutes. About 11 minutes, and then we'll look for an entry on the 30-minute candle. Got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We're going to look for entries. See this bottom wick that was created? It's about 10 points. And at 9:30, we got a 23-point bottom wick. So I want at least a 10-point bottom wick. At least. And with that, our stop loss would be set for 20 points. Okay? That's our bare minimum stop loss. 20 points. So if we can get a bottom wick of 10, 11, 12, 13, whatever, that'll be our stop loss. 20 points. If we go over 20, my maximum stop loss, I want to be about 40 points. If we go over 40, then it's no trade for us. It's too much of a stop loss. I don't want to risk that much. But yeah, so we're going to look for it. We'll get a bottom wick, have the stop loss set. We'll hopefully get runners. This will be our overall target. Okay. And this is 70, 80 points roughly. Yeah. This could look good for us. This could be good for us. It's good that we broke the highs. Although it wasn't much, that is a good sign for us. Seven minutes. Be patient. I'm sure there's somebody out there who wants to just get in right now. But then when you get caught in the pullback, as it's doing now, you don't want to be in drawdown, man. Do not want to be in drawdown. 5 more minutes, guys. Just 5 more minutes. Let's just close above. Let's hope we close above. What y'all do this weekend, man? What did anybody get into? What did y'all do? I rode my bike. Word. I feel like eventually I'm gonna start vlogging when I ride my bike. I see way too much crazy shit outside, man. New York is fucking nuts. Like I said before, I still want this to stay above. This is good though, pulling back. Hopefully we can close exactly right here, come down, create the wick, then we'll keep pushing up, right? So this would be a perfect close right here. This would be a good close. Yep. Hopefully we just have runners and we don't get stopped out. Haven't had runners in a while. But see, that's not good. Coming back into the range is not good. Got just 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Be ready. Okay? Be on the ready. It's not looking good. We're rejecting the zone, respecting resistance. Oh, one last push. Can we get one last push? Just 15 seconds left. Oh, coming back. Womp womp. Closed back in the range, guys. Remember, we broke the highs. That was great. We also wanted to see a closure above. Honestly, I'm assuming we're going to push up and then come back down because we're respecting resistance. Those are a lot of wicks. Those are very big wicks. right? This is a pretty big wick, big wick, big wicks. Rejection, rejection, rejection. So that's that. So guys, we didn't get a bottom wick, so there's no entry. It's not the trade for us. We also closed below the support, so that's no good. Again, my ideas, although we're still pushing up, I think we're going to come back down. We're respecting resistance. I wouldn't say I'm done, but I did throw the idea out that there could be, I would think about having sell stops here. Just an idea for anybody out there if you wanted to look for a trade, right? Candle stops. I'll probably have stops at about 25 points. This would pretty much, first target would be down here. Next one would be about right here. Probably, right? And the overall target would be about this 14, 12, 490. But I'm not entering. That is just a trade idea. But I'm not entering. Whoever would have took that,
Been making like 2,000 a minute.
good for you. Good for you. First TP was slapped. See if it reaches the second one. Trust me, this one I'm actually disappointed in. This one I did miss. Should have just took it. I did miss this trade because I called it from the beginning. We have the wicks up top. We're rejecting resistance or respecting resistance. Wick, 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 wick. We came down below the resistance. We created a top wick. About 20 points. This would have been a perfect trade. Could have been a perfect trade for us, but it's all good. Let's take a look at this too now. So the 4 hours flipping bearish. I could assume it's gonna come down, right? To about right here. So although we didn't take a trade, we did have good market analysis. We just missed it. That one I can calmly say we missed. I missed that trade. I literally called it out seconds before the move happened. I was just uncomfortable taking sells when the daily bias is bullish. So trying to stick to my rules, stick to, what I say I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna do it. I don't want to be flip-flopping, jumping all over the place. So, But that would have been a good trade. Would have been a good trade. There you go. TP2 about to get slapped. TP2 slapped. 45 points. 0.01, you'd have got $45. 0.02, you'd have had $90. Real quick. I said 12 for 90. That would be my overall TP, right? Yeah. Well, if anybody did take that trade, again, congratulations to you. Good for you. Good for effing you. All right, so that's that. Let's take a look at some of these other charts real quick. Gold's coming back down, as it should. Bitcoin's coming back down a little bit. We are at a 200 SMA on a 30-minute chart. See what the Dow did. Yep, very similar. Stayed in the range. It's not moving. See that was basically $100 move right there on the Dow off of that rejection. Damn, that sucks. Yo, Sid, if you out there, bro. I know you just started your funded challenge, man. You could have took this sell. You'd have been straight. You'd have been done with your challenge already. For a fact. But it is what it is. I'm not. All right, so let's just talk about. Let's get this over with. I'm not gonna trade the last 15-minute candle for sure. That's not happening. So we're gonna keep our streak intact. Got 10 wins, 4 losses. Let's give ourselves a round of applause for being patient, not taking any bad trades, having good market analysis, and having a good morning. So I'm out to call it a day. Everything's been real. I hope you guys learned something today. Maybe about rejection, maybe about support, maybe about wicks, candles, I don't know, anything. Next time tomorrow we'll be back 9:30 to 11 as usual. Look, basically hit TP1. Yep. TP or hit overall TP. Yeah, we will be back again tomorrow, 9:30 to 11. I hope everybody has a blessed day. I hope y'all don't overtrade. Don't have FOMO. It's all good. Sometimes you don't trade. It is what it is. Go kiss your mom. Go tell someone you love them. And go be blessed, man. That's about it. Just go be blessed. Wish everybody a blessed day. And that's the end of our stream, all right? Peace.
Yeah. Can you feel it? I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience. Okay, just getting better each day. Stacking that to the cheesecake. Look up to the Lord we pray. Trying to be my best each day. Until I'm late, the rest of we late. Yeah, to the time being we lit. Hoping I don't let it get all of my head. I don't need the money just to say that I'm rich. Couple little honeys when they get in my bed. But they used to run for me when I had nothing. Now they wanna fuck cause they see me stunting. Nigga came up off the hustling. Living in the lap of lux and I'm feeling like the man. If you ain't on my chucks, then you wouldn't understand. On me, bodies rubber bands. On me, make her wanna dance. For me, probably leave a man. For me, standing in the stands, goddamn. She used the front way back, now she just a fan. Yeah. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. Now we on our way to greatness. And all I ever took was patience. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience. I put my pain in the cadence, turn my brain up a wavelength. Now we flowing and sailing, so just go with the feeling. Baby, soak up the vibe, let's roll some dope up, get high. We gon' blow smoke in the sky till we can open our eyes. I put my pain in the cadence, turn my brain up a wavelength. Now we flowing and sailing, so just go with the feeling. Baby, soak up the vibe, let's roll some dope up, get high. We gon' blow smoke in the sky till we can open our eyes. At times I thought we never make it. Now we on our way to greatness. And all I ever took was patience. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience. I used to feel so. At times I thought we. But now we on our way. And all I ever took was patience.